Hello scale modelers from YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the quick restoration of a 1927 Lincoln Roadster. The kit is from MPC, number 13103, in 1/25th scale. I don't have the kit box, but as I have the instruction manual, I was able to check on the ScaleMates website that this is the version of the kit, issued in 1974. This build came a little bit dirty, but with a quite nice two-tone paint job, dark blue on the body, and gloss black for the fenders. I like this combination, therefore, I will keep as it is. The assembled top is painted light brown, and only needs to be cleaned. The interior painting is also okay, so I won't make any changes. Underneath, the paint job is quite basic, all elements are painted gloss black, with the exception of the engine, painted gray. In any case, I won't make any changes, I'll just glue the loose and broken parts from the front axle. I have to fix the hood hinges, because at least one of them has a broken pin. The front axle also needs some attention, the steering elements are broken, and a wheel is detached. This spare tire has to be glued in place, and there are also other loose parts, such as the bumpers, the rear license plate support, and the luggage rack, that will have to be glued again in their respective locations. So, after a good cleaning, some paint touch-ups, a little polishing, and the repair of all loose parts, this is the result. I'm happy how it came out, and I hope you like it too. Unfortunately, the Lincoln Greyhound hood ornament radiator cap was missing. So, I scratched build one the best I could, hoping that one day I can find an original part to replace it. The optional top boot parts, to show the kit with top retracted, are also missing, but still, this kit is a beautiful shelf queen, with some nice features such as the rumble seat, and the golf bag door that can open, as well as both sides of the hood that can also be opened. The 1927 Lincoln Roadster was a luxurious car, built by the Lincoln Motor Company, a division of Ford Motor Company at the time. It was the first production car from Lincoln and was named after Abraham Lincoln. This Lincoln Roadster is a two-door convertible, with a folding top, offering an open-top driving experience. It typically features a sleek and elegant body design with flowing lines and a long hood. The design reflects the luxury and sophistication of the era. The interior is often adorned with high-quality materials such as leather seats and wooden trim, emphasizing comfort and style. The 1927 Lincoln Roadster is equipped with a V8 engine, which was quite powerful for its time. The engine produces around 90 horsepower, and it comes with a 3-speed manual transmission, which was standard for cars in the 1920s. Because of its performance, it was a favorite among bootleggers during the Prohibition era, as well as law enforcement officials who pursued them. Thanks to all my subscribers, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment down below with any question or feedback. See you in the next video.